Accurex, serving the diagnostic industry since 1984, introduces the Acculab CBC 360 Neo for stress-free complete blood count reporting. Highly sensitive to low platelet counts, even below 10,000 per litre. Reporting 21 parameters at a throughput of 60 samples per hour, the CBC 360 Neo allows the laboratory a faster turnaround time for CBC reporting. It's completely automated for self-testing, background tests, alarms, cleaning and daily maintenance, which means the laboratory can concentrate on running the samples rather than worrying about maintenance or erroneous results. The Duel chamber enables measurements of RBCs, WBCs, platelets and hemoglobin separately to negate errors due to miscalculation. It allows for 4 QC methods, allowing the laboratory to choose any or all with which they are comfortable. The sleep mode reduces power consumption. Peace of mind ensured with Acculab CBC 360 Neo.